A 17-year-old girl is battling for life in hospital after her ex-boyfriend doused her with gasoline and set her ablaze while she slept. The San Myrna Foundation is trying to raise funds for the St. Catherine teen to get treatment overseas. The details in this report. TVJ News was informed that the teen was at home sleeping when a male said to be her ex-boyfriend entered the house, poured gasoline on the bed and set it ablaze. The brutal incident happened in Linstead, St. Catherine, Thursday morning. Her family says 60% of her body is burnt.
Because the arms are burned 60%, not just her body alone. The arms are burned really bad. Skin completely torn off.
We were told the 17-year-old is now in hospital battling for life. We understand the burns are so severe she's at risk of losing both of her hands. The San Myrna Foundation, that has been helping burn victims island-wide, is once again on standby to see if the teen will have to get additional treatment overseas.
Her stepmom is here with me. They are both devastated. And as I use the term, say here we are again, you know exactly that San Myrna Foundation always giving an helping hand.